If you've ever made a change in Elementor and immediately wished you could go back, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo in Elementor using a simple keyboard shortcut so you can quickly restore your page and keep working without stress. This is a super useful trick whether you accidentally moved a widget, changed some text, or edited a section you didn't mean to touch. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Elementor tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure your focus is clear. Click once on a blank area of the Elementor canvas, which is the main preview side of the screen. This step is important because you want to make sure no specific widget, text box, or input field is active. If something is selected, the shortcut might not behave the way you expect. Once the blank area is selected and nothing else is active, you're ready for the undo command. Now on your keyboard, press Ctrl and Z together. That's the standard undo shortcut, and Elementor responds to it by rolling back your most recent change. In many cases, you'll see the editor briefly refresh as it restores the previous version of your layout. This reload is completely normal, and it means Elementor is applying the undo action to your page. After a moment, you should see your content back in the state it was before the last change. If you are testing a design, editing a headline, or moving a section around, this shortcut can save you a ton of time. Instead of hunting through settings or manually rebuilding something, you can simply undo and continue working. It's one of the fastest ways to recover from a mistake while building in Elementor. Once you're happy that the page has been restored correctly, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Update to save the restored version of your page. This is important because undoing the change in the editor does not fully protect your work until you save it. Clicking Update makes sure your page is published with the corrected version and everything stays exactly how you want it. So to recap, click a blank area to clear focus, press Ctrl plus Z to undo, wait for the editor to refresh, and then click Update to save your page. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and very effective. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.